central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina. Northeastern Anderson County.
Shut up!
South Carolina until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Greenville downtown, or near Welcome, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Where's the other video?
Minor damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Welcome, Powdersville, Piedmont, West Elder. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Greenville downtown, or near Welcome, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Welcome, Powdersville, Piedmont, West Pelzer, Donaldson Center, Malden, Greenville Downtown, and Fort Chills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
There was hail going out there.
Please report damage.
And now I can get back to my room a little bit. Not really, but... Oh my God!
800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson and Greenville,